Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I invited somebody else to be in my channel. Make sure y'all go subscribe to her.
I don't have channel anymore, but you can subscribe.
She doesn't post videos anymore, but you can subscribe. Because why? Mommy, can I tell you so? Yeah, guys. We are going to be having 3 girls sleepover. Everybody put okay. Sleep. Everybody look at me. Everybody look at me. Attention girls. We are going to be having the best sleepover ever. We need to have a group hug. Come on, group hug. Group hug. Group hug. Come, group hug. Starting. Wait, give me the pillow. Give me the pillow. Give me that pillow. There's it's just okay. Everybody stand and let's get this. Come stand. And three, close. Yeah, guys, you gotta stay tuned for tonight because tonight
I'm literally burning.
yeah, it's gonna be a crazy night. Crazy night. It's gonna be fast to sleep. No, it's gonna be a crazy night.
Let's pull it all nighter.
So stay
Let's
tuned.
pull it all nighter.
Yeah. Why did you get blocked from our group Zakira's group? Why?
Zakira. It's my group. I'm a group. I don't know. Somebody blocked me.
I blocked you.
Did you?
Yes. Hit me. Hit me. I'm so sorry.
I made a new group.
I know. But how many girls are in the group?
3.
Why do you name it gang? Like what? Gang. Gnarly.
You should have made a concrete.
Yes.
You also have that but I'm not allowed to touch it. Sad news before.
What?
Yep.
Your auntie's cat is pregnant.
Yeah.
Boy or girl?
Girl.
Is the baby boy or girl?
No, they didn't give birth yet. She didn't give birth yet, but you can see her stomach is big. And girls that said, I told them, my auntie, and you know, this kid is pregnant, and I think I said, no, my gosh, girls and girls also said it's pregnant.
Yeah, guys. But you gotta stay tuned for now. Bye. Make sure you like, comment, share.